Here's the key to gravy. If you have the ability to do it, start it a couple of days early or even like the morning of, and go to the store and buy whatever turkey parts you can buy, right? So you have your whole bird that you're gonna roast, but then you can buy wings or necks or smoked bones, and then you could use that for your gravy. So I'm starting my gravy by taking these turkey bits and pieces, which is fun to say, like these wings right here, and I just put them on a sheet tray, and I pop them in the oven so that they get nice and golden brown, and that's developing all of that,
when you make any
Maillard reaction.
You roast your bones first.
You roast our bones, right? You can even do this with veg if you want, and quite honestly, if you can't find turkey parts, you can just buy some chicken wings, right? That's still poultry.
Sure.
You can buy, if you find a goose, you can do a goose, or a duck, you can do that. And we're gonna put it in a stock pot of water. You want the water to just sort of cover all of your turkey parts.
All of your roasted parts.
Squish that down in there. And then the key here is also save all the drippings that are in the pan, because that's another thing you need for gravy. And now you'll have these drippings off to the side. You have your stock working right here. And then you're gonna add all of your sort of aromatics, right? So
some garlic, carrots, celery, onions.
Celery, onions. You can put some herbs in there.
Rosemary and sage.
Rosemary, sage, a little bit of salt.